my channel. Today it's actually pretty cold, like I'm actually freezing. Right now I'm on my way to Zara. Actually I'm on my way to get coffee first, and then I'm gonna go to the mall to you know, check and see what they got. Whew. All right, so like I was saying, I'm on my way to you know, just step out. I've been in my place the past few days because I haven't been feeling well, but I am feeling a whole lot better, so I decided to step out. So I'm just gonna run a couple of errands today, and I decided to take you along with me. I woke up so early this morning. I woke up at like 8 o'clock, and I filmed a clip, but I accidentally deleted it, showing you guys the vitamins and stuff that I ended up getting. If anything, do y'all hear me breathing? I hear myself. What? Anyways, as you see, I'm clearly out of breath. Whoa. But anyways, if anything, I'll show you guys whenever I get back the vitamins that I take, and yeah, so I'll show you guys whenever I get home.
You know what? I think we're gonna take a little drive.
Alright, guys, so I just got to the coffee bar. This coffee place is super cute. It's called Grinders Coffee if you're here in Houston. So I got a toffee latte, a toffee vanilla latte, and a spinach and artichoke kolache. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to try it.
Coconut honey lavender. So a lot of like that we offer.
Hey guys, so honestly, there's so much traffic over here. I drove all the way to the little mall that I was talking about. Well, it's not little, but it's the one closer to my job. I thought that this would be better than going to the Galleria, but there's so much traffic, and it hit me. I'm like, duh, it's Christmas shopping. Now guys, that coffee in kolache was so good. It was fire. Like, it was so good. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Yeah, sometimes I need to tint my windows because I'd be going off. Anyways, I was so far from this mall. Like, I have so much walking to do. But yeah, I think I'll look inside of Forever 21 for a little bit. I haven't been to Forever 21 in a minute, so I may just cut through there, look around some, and I'll show you all if I find anything cute. This is kind of cute. This is cute too. I love this color. Alright, you guys, so I just made it into Zara. not know that the dressing rooms at Zara were open, so I'm so excited because I always end up buying stuff and then having to return it because it doesn't fit. So I'm so happy that the dressing rooms are open. I'm about to go ahead and try these things on. If anything's cute, I'll be sure to pull you guys out so you can see. Alright, so these pants are cute, but they're a little small. I think I'll need like a size medium or something, but I don't know. This is cute, but I think I'll probably need a bigger size. This is an extra small and they only had the extra small and a large, but I kind of want to wear it oversized with some tights underneath. That's the vision that I have for this shirt. So I think I might have to do a large. So guys, with this top, obviously I wouldn't style it with these pants. I have a whole outfit planned for it. The only thing is it's really bright and I'm not really into like bright colors, especially with my hair color like this, but I am dyeing it black soon, so maybe this will work. But maybe, I don't know, because I don't really have anything like pink and like this, so maybe it could work. But yeah, I have like a whole outfit in mind with this top. So I think I like it. Like I said, not with these pants because I look like, I don't even know what I look like, but this is not it. This is not it.
Hey, hey, niggas ain't got respect. Niggas just got it.
Hey guys, so I completely forgot to close out the vlog, so it is actually the next day. All I did yesterday was I got back and I went to the grocery store, got some stuff to cook, and I just cooked and chilled for the rest of the night, and I just did not pick up my camera. So I just wanted to pop on here and close out the vlog. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, comment down below and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.